Hello students, welcome to the Time YouTube channel for ICET. Today we shall discussing progressions, actual questions of TG and AP ICET 2025. So before that, please subscribe our channel, YouTube channel Time for ICET. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్టయితే బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, సో మీకు లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. యా, so the sum of the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression is 120 and the sum of the next 10 terms is 320. So it is not first 10, it is next 10. Okay, next the fifth term of that arithmetic progression is, so you have to find T5, right? So data ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, sum of 10 terms. So sum of n terms ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So ఇక్కడ n అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్, a is the first term, d is the common difference. ఓకే, సో మనకేమి ఇచ్చారు, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 10 టర్మ్స్ అన్నారు. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ 10 టర్మ్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చారు, S10. సో S10 is 120 and sum of next 10 terms. సో నెక్స్ట్ 10 టర్మ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 20 టర్మ్స్ ఎంత అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఫస్ట్ 10 ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ 10, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 10 టర్మ్స్ ఇస్ 440, రైట్? ఓకే, సో మనకి Sn అంటే ఇది ఫార్ములా. వాట్ ఈజ్ S10? S10 అంటే n వాల్యూ ఎంత, ఇక్కడ n ఈజ్ 10. సో S10 ఈజ్ n by 2, n by 2 is 10 by 2, that is 5 into, so 2a plus n is 10, that is 90. So 90 is equal to 120, right? So this is one equation. Next S20. So S20 is 10, n is here, n is 20, 10 by 20 by 2 is 10, is 2a plus n is 20, n minus 1 is 19. So 19d is equal to 440, right? So if you simplify this one, 5 24 times and 0 get cancelled, right? So here we have two equations. If you subtract these two equations, this equation minus this one, so you'll get 2a get cancelled, 19d minus 9d is 10d, and 44 minus 24 is 20. So from this you can write d is equal to, so 0 get cancelled, d is 2. If you substitute d value in this first equation, so 2a, you will get a value. So 9 into 2, that is 18d, 18 is equal to 24. So that implies 2a is equal to 24 minus 18, that is 6. 2a is equal to 6, a is equal to 3, right? So what you have to find, you have to find T5. So what is the formula for T and nth term? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So if you want to find T5, so T5 is, a is how much, a is 3, here n is 5, n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So what is d? So d is 2. So this is 8 plus 3, that is 11. So correct answer is choice 3, right? So let us see the next question. Yeah, so what is given, the arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression, if the sum of the first 10 terms is 3000, so that is S10 is 3000, right? Next, the sum of the first 20 terms starting from 1 to 20 is S20. So S20 is how much, 12,000, right? So sum of the first 30 terms. We need to find what is S30. So S30 is how much? It is not S10 plus S20. Okay. So what is S10? So Sn is n by 2. Here n value is 10. So 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into first term is A. So n is n minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. And D, common difference, is equal to 3000. Right. So if you simplify this one, you will get 600. 2A plus 9D is 600. So here what is S20 formula? So n is 20, n by 2, that is 20 by 2, 10. So 2A plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1, 19. So common difference is D equal to 12,000. Right. So 0, 0 get cancelled. Right. So here 2A plus 9D is 600 and 2A plus 19D is 1200. If you subtract these two from, if you subtract this equation from this equation, so this minus this, 19D minus 9D is 10D and 1200 minus 600 is 600. So that implies D is equal to 60. Right. So if you substitute D is equal to 60 in the first equation, so you will get 2A plus 9 into D, that is 9 into 60, 540 is equal to 600. So that implies 2A. So 2A is equal to 60 and A is 30. Right. So what you have to find? You have to find S30. So what is the formula for S30? So S30 is equal to n by 2, that is 30 by 2, 15. So 2A, 2 into A is 30 plus 30 minus 1, n minus 1 means 30 minus 1, that is 29 into D. So D is 60. Right. So if you simplify this one, 15 into this is 60 and this is 1770, 1740. So 15 into 1800. So 15 into 18 is 270. So 270, 2 more zeros, that is choice 4. Okay. Right. Next question number 3. The sum of the infinite numbers of terms of geometric progression is 23. The sum of its squares is 69. So what is the common ratio of that geometric progression? So you need to find common ratio is R. R is how much? Okay. So what is the general geometric infinite series? So it is in the form of first term is A, common ratio is R, A plus AR and AR square, AR cube and so on infinity. So the sum of these terms are in arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Here first term is A and this geometric progression first term is and common ratio is R. So these are the terms AR cube and so on. So infinity means, so last term is and so on infinity. So the sum of these terms is given as first term by 1 minus common ratio, that is R. So this is given as, that means A by 1 minus R, so given as 23. So this is one equation. Next what is given? Sum of its squares. So sum of its square means first term square is A square and second term square is A square R square and A square R power 4 and A square R power 6 infinity. So here first term is R square, A square and common ratio is R square. Here R square into R square into R square. So first term is A square by 1 minus, here common ratio is R square. So this value is given as A square by 1 minus R square given as 69, right? So if you rewrite this equation, a into a square can be written as a into a and 1 minus r square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So that is 1 minus r into 1 plus r is equal to 69, right? So a by 1 minus r is 23. So 23 into a by 1 plus r, right, is equal to 69. So 23 3 times, that means what? A by 1 plus r is 3. So a by 1 minus r is 23. So from the first equation, what is the value of a? If we send 1 minus r this side, so it will become 23 into 1 minus r. And from here, what is the a value? If we send 1 plus r to this side, so this becomes 3 into 1 plus r, right? So if you simplify this one, you will get 23. If you send, this is 23 minus 23r and 3 plus 3r. So 23 minus 3, that is 20, is equal to 23. This is minus 23. If you send that side, it will become plus 23. Already 3r is there. So that is 26r. So r is equal to 20 by 26. So that is 10 by 13, right? So answer is choice 3, 10 by 13. Okay. So next, question number 4. So what is given? 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on is how much? You have to find the sum of these terms. So if you observe, these terms can be written as 9 can be written as in terms of 10. So 10 minus 1, and this is 100 minus 1. This is 10,000 minus 1. So we can దీన్ని మనం 10 powers లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. దట్ మీన్స్ 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, and next ఏంటి 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 and so on. So up to n terms, it is not infinity, right? So if you write 10 powers together, so 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on, and once minus 1 plus 1 plus and so on n, right? So this is 10, this is 100, this is 1000. So first term is 10 and common difference is 10. So a is 10 and common ratio is 10. So it is in geometric progression. What is the sum of the geometric progression up to n? So it is r is greater than 1. So that means a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So r value greater than 1 unte ee formula use cheyali, avuna? Okay. So what is a value? A is 10. So r is 10, 10 power n minus 1 by r is 10, 10 minus 1, 9. So this is the value of this first expression. So what is the second one? Minus, how many ones are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n. If 2 terms are there, 2. If 3 terms are there, 3. If n terms are there, sum is n. So that means what? So choice 1, right? So correct answer is choice 1. So minus n, right? So 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus n, right? Next, question number 5. So 1 into 1 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 5 square plus 4 into 1 by 5 cube plus and so on plus 512 into 5 power 10. So this can be written as 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 square and 4 by 5 cube and so on. 5 power 12 is 2 power 9 by 5 power 10. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 5 power 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 5 square ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. సో 4 is 2 square. So if you multiply and divide by 2, so okay, if you multiply this whole expression with 2, so you will get 1 by 2. So 2 by 5. So this is 4 into 5 square and this is 8 into 5 cube and so on, 2 power 10 by 5 power 10. Okay, so this is in the form of 1 by 2, this is 2 by 5 whole power 1 and this is 4 is 2 square, that means so 2 by 5 whole square, 2 by 5 whole cube and so on, 2 power 10 by 5 power 10. This is, yeah, so 2 by 5 whole power 10, right? So if you observe this series, it is in the form of, it is in the geometric progression. Here first term is 2 by 5, so a is 2 by 5 and common ratio is it is multiplied by 2 by 5, r is equal to 2 by 5. So here r is less than 1, so r less than 1 ante formula enti, a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So r greater unte first r vastundi, r less unte 1 minus vastundi. Okay, so what is a? A is 2 by 5 and 1 minus, so 2 by 5 any terms unnai, so how many terms? 1 2 3 10 terms. 1 minus 2 by 5. Okay, so this is the sum of these terms. Already 1 by 2 is there, so into 1 by 2, right? So this 2 get cancelled, so this is 1 minus 2 by 5 means 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, so 3 by 5 get cancelled. You can write this as 1 by 3 of 1 minus 2 by 5 whole power 10. So this is correct answer is choice 3, right? Next, question number 6. So it is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 27 and this is 3 powers, 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, like that. So again if you multiply and divide with 2, so it becomes 1 by 2. So into 2 means 2 by 3 plus this is into 2 4 by 9, that is 2 by 3 whole square and second one is and 2 by 3 whole cube and 2 by 3 whole power 4 and so on. So it is not infinity and so on n terms, right? So here a is 1, r is 2 by 3 means it is r is less than 1, so 1 by 2, a is 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 into, so 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n terms, right? By, so 1 minus, so it is infinity terms, it is not, so it is still infinity. So infinity means what is the formula? Just wait. So and so on infinity, so it is not n terms, right? Yeah, so it is, what is infinity formula? Plus till infinity means a by 1 minus r. right? So 1 by 2. So this sum is infinity series. First term is a, that is 2 by 3, a by 1 minus r is 2 by 3, right? So 1 by 2, so this is 2 by 3 by 1 by 3, so 3 get cancelled, and this is 2 by 1 by 2, so that is 1 is the answer. So correct answer is choice 4, choice for 1, right? Next, question number 7. So 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 4 plus 1 by and so on plus 1 by 49 into 50. Okay, so is equal to how much? So question is 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus and so on plus 1 by 49 into 50. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 3 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, if you simplify this one, 3 minus 2, we will get 1 by 2 into 3. So second term, 1 by 3 by 4 can be written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, right? So third term is, these are successive numbers, it is 2, 3, 3, 4, and next term is 4, 5. So next term is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, and next term is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, right? So and so on, last term is 1 by 49 minus 1 by 50, right? So you have to find this one. So here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 get cancelled, here minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, so like this these terms are get cancelled, right? So finally this is 1 by 2 minus last term is there 1 by 50. So this can be written as, so LCM is 50, so into 25, 25 minus 1, 24, so that is 12 by 50, right? So correct answer is choice 12 by, sorry, so 2 12 times 2 25 times, so 12 by 25. Okay, so correct answer is choice 1. Okay, yeah, let us see the next question. Okay, so this is the end of the question, end of the session, and so join our Telegram channel. So link is given, t.me./time for ICET, and so these are the links. So if you want offline coaching, contact our Time nearest center, right, for online coaching. So go through these links, and thank you for watching. Wish you all the best.